Essential Ireland Tours. I've just checked into Ashford Castle with my group and they're presently getting their orientation tour of this beautiful castle from the 12th century, 1228 AD. First built by the de Burke family, a Norman clan, and then home to the Guinness family, and now one of Ireland's best hotels. Nice little spot. Just symbolic that we were waiting for 2 years. The pandemic almost stopped us.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That is beautiful.
Here you are. Cheers.
Merci.
And what is that?
I don't know. You can't drink it now.
What do you mean? What do you mean you don't know?
I said, give me something I'll remember.
Fabulous.
Oh.
If you're interested in joining us on one of our castles and classics tours, check out our website www.essentialirelandtours.com, and we'd love to give you a warm Irish welcome. Slán Paul.